Trading the Asian session once again. I just got into a short on this candle. We had point of control drawn up into the wick, and we were at this previous day point of control, this blue dash line. Got into a short and I got out when we hit the pivot point. I got 4 points. This is the 2-minute NQ chart. Check it out. Point of control drawn down the wick. It'll pop up. See point of control down at the bottom of this candle, right on the 250 SMA. Nice pop up. Got an ADX dot. I still have the 1-minute chart too, but I also have a 2-minute. I got a 5-minute over here. The MMT XXX. And the ultimate delta in cumulative mode. I'm up like 60 bucks per account. And I just got a bunch of new Apex accounts. That 90% off sale. Haven't even signed into my Tradeify or Take Profit yet. So I think I got 15 different accounts that I'm working on now. Some are already funded. Most of them are evaluations. Just got into another short. We have point of control drawn up into the wick of this candle. I was looking for a retest of this previous day point of control. I know one person that got the price action indicator that uses the ebb and flow. Says it works really good on the 2-minute chart. I haven't really ever tried it on the 2-minute chart. But I should put it on my new 5-minute chart that I got over here. And just like that, with the magic of video editing, got the ebb and flow dots on my new 5-minute chart setup. I just have not been trading the New York Open session, so I haven't had them on the chart. But maybe I'll find a good use for them during a different session. Just got into a little short. Point of control drawn up to the top of these wicks. This is the 1-minute chart once again. Had an RSI reversal. I only got like 3 points, but it came down over 10. I just got into another short. Got my full 20-point target. Point of control was drawn up to the tops of these wicks. RSI reversal signal from the trend in reversal, as well as an ADX dot, also from the trend in reversal. We were still red on the 5-minute time frame for the XXX indicator. Took a short, got my 10 points. If you're interested in checking out any of these indicators, there are links to the MMT line of indicators in the description. I've got the trend in reversal and the MMT Heiken Ashi on this chart. And I've got the XXX on this chart. I forgot to turn the Replikanto on a couple of those other trades. But now I'm copy trading across 15 accounts. I got a little short off of yesterday's open. We had a wicking candle with the point of control drawn up in it. I just got into another little short. Had a hand-drawn level on the 5-minute chart here. Came right up to it to the tick. Just popped down 10 points. Had point of control drawn up to the top of this candle when we were hitting it too. I'm trading the New York Open. Just got into a short up at yesterday's New York Open. Also had this line from the 5-minute chart that I drew. And we had a previous day point of control coming up. I took the short because we had a really big push right out the gate at the open without any real pullback. I thought this area would be a good spot for a little retracement. And the delta started dropping off. Got in a little scalp short there. We had an ebb and flow dot pre-market, taking the break above. Worked out there. I just got into another short. We were coming up to yesterday's value area high. We dropped down about 15 points from there. Enough room to get in a little scalp. Getting a little hold up at this MMT volume level from the key levels. Taking some counter trend trades this morning. We've had nothing but ADX dots to the upside. Either slowdown or green. Heiken Ashi candles. XXX has been green on the 5-minute. Just got another short for 5 points. We had point of control drawn up to the top of this wick. This was the 15-minute range being formed as well. And we had a previous day VWAP close and R1 right above. Went for a quick scalp short. Up over $1,100 after commissions. 81%. And this doesn't include the Asia session that I was trading yesterday. Just had a big old retracement. right down to the 20 SMA, where we bounced up 12, 13 points now. We set an ebb and flow dot to the downside on the 5-minute, and I only take ebb and flow signals after a breakout in the direction of the signal, below or above the trigger candle. But getting in at 339, came down about 30 points. Got some 10 o'clock news coming up in a few minutes here. Just got into another short. We have point of control being drawn up into the top of this wick. Then we have delta dropping off. Still have this previous day VWAP close and R1 up here. And we're right at the high of the 15-minute opening range. When the 10 o'clock news came out, it moved down a little bit first. So I felt confident taking a short there. Got the full 10-point target. We just dropped down over 30 points. Almost got into a short here. We had an ADX dot. Nice full-bodied candle closing below the 20 SMA. As soon as we broke below this previous day point of control, we had 20 points of room down to the center of the 15-minute range. We had a lot of delta coming into the downside on this candle. A lot of opportunities every single day. I don't take every single one. I almost just took another trade. I was thinking about a VWAP bounce. Then we got yesterday's point of control right below it. Bounced right off of yesterday's point of control. Great key level. That's why I have it as part of the MMT key levels indicator. Just bounced up over 20 points. We had another ebb and flow signal on the 5-minute chart. Taking a break a few points lower. We came down over 30 points after the break. So 2 different 30-point opportunities for the 5-minute ebb and flow signals today. That's part of the MMT price action indicator, which is getting a major upgrade very soon. It's almost 10:30. I don't know if I'm going to take any more trades today. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. There's links to all the MMT indicators in the description. There's also links to all the prop firms that I'm trading with. Thanks for watching. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.